The new AI features coming to Google are going to change advertising forever, and they're also going to change so much more, and we're going to get into all of that today. Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Blake Bauer, and I've generated over $50 million using Google Ads and Facebook ads. And I currently am the CEO of an advertising agency called Jet Ads, where we help clients manage, grow, and scale their Google Ads, Facebook ads, and more. And Google just broke the news that they are rolling out a series of AI features that are going to change that advertising game forever. In this video, I'm going to show you the main highlights that you need to be aware of. If you run ads at all, or if you're just in marketing in general, you need to know about these features, and I'm going to cover all the main ones in this video. So I'm going to go over the keynote, and I'm going to go over all the features with you right now. Now, the first feature is going to be Google Search. Now, not only do you see that Google AI has already rolled out a feature that shows you answers to your search queries right in the top of the search bar using AI, they now have an extended AI feature that allows you to prompt it with long search queries, giving you a very detailed response, unlike anything that search has ever seen.
As people use AI overviews, we see they are happier with their results and they search more often. For those who want an end-to-end AI search experience, we are introducing an all-new AI mode. It's a total reimagining of search. With more advanced reasoning, you can ask AI mode longer and more complex queries. In fact, users have been asking much longer queries, 2 to 3 times the length of traditional searches. And I'm excited to share that AI mode is coming to everyone in the US starting today.
Soon, AI mode will be able to make your responses even more helpful, with personalized suggestions based on your past searches. You can also opt in to connect other Google apps, starting with Gmail. Now, this is always under your control, and you can choose to connect or disconnect it at any time. Personal context is coming to AI mode this summer. You already come to search today to really unpack a topic, but this brings it to a much deeper level. So much so that we're calling this deep search. It reasons across all those disparate pieces of information to create an expert-level, fully cited report in just minutes.
So as you can see, the first feature that Google is rolling out is their AI mode for search, which provides a ChatGPT-like search experience, giving you very detailed answers to very specific questions and much longer responses. Overall, this is going to kill so many different web pages, so many different SEO optimized pages, because people are going to be relying more and more on AI to answer their prompts versus traditional web pages or blogs. This opens up a new opportunity for advertisers to advertise using AI or in those AI modes where if you ask for product suggestions, AI in Google will now prompt you with specific products that are based on your recommendations and your personalized history. Now, the next update is virtual shopping, allowing users to try on products before buying by uploading images and using AI to actually show what that product looks like on you. So let's see how that looks.
A new try-on feature that will help you virtually try on clothes. I really like this blue one. I click on this button to try it on. It asks me to upload a picture, which takes me to my camera roll. I have many pictures here. I'm going to pick one that is full length and a clear view of me. We built a custom image generation model specifically trained for fashion. Wow, and it's back. The AI model is able to show how this material will fold and stretch and drape on people. And let's assume the price is now dropped. When that happens, I get a notification just like this. And if I want to buy, my checkout agent will add the right size and color to my cart. I can choose to review all my payment and shipping information, or just let the agent just buy it for me with just one tap. Search, securely buys it for me with Google Pay, and of course, all of this happened under my guidance. Our new visual shopping and agentic checkout features are rolling out in the coming months, and you can start trying on looks in labs beginning today.
We're launching 5 things.
So another revolutionary feature coming now to shopping using AI, allowing you to, again, put the product on you. And not only that, Google Shopping will now notify users of products that you're interested in, automatically add that product to cart, and allow you to seamlessly check out without ever visiting a company website, all done through Google Shopping. Now, next is Image Gen 4, which is a next level AI image generation tool similar to ChatGPT. Let's take a look.
Image generation model into the Gemini app. It's called Imagine 4, and Imagine 4 is so much better at text and typography. In the past, you might have created something that looked good, but adding words didn't always work just right. So check this out. Maybe I want to create a poster for a music festival. We'll make the Chrome Dino the big headliner. Imagine 4 doesn't just get the text and spelling right, it's actually making creative choices, like using dinosaur bones in the font, or figuring out the spacing, the font size, the layout that makes it look like this great poster. It's 10 times faster than our previous model, so you can iterate through many ideas quickly. Images are incredible, but sometimes you need motion and sound. Today, I'm excited to announce our new state-of-the-art model, VO3. VO3 comes with native audio generation. That means that VO3 can generate sound effects, background sounds, and dialogue. Now you prompt it, and your characters can speak. Take a listen.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
Pretty cool, right? VO added not just the sounds of the forest, but also the dialogue.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
Starting today, Gemini Live capabilities are free and rolling out across Android and iOS. We recently launched video.
Now, I don't know about you, but those features are revolutionary. To be able to generate not only images with text on them, like that amazing poster. I mean, just look at that poster, like the Dino Music Festival 2025, adding in the text with the creative dinosaur bone features, with the kind of drip feature, right? Having the dinosaurs kind of like techno with the DJ booth, and then the dates and everything. Like, it looks unreal. And then not only that, but you're able to now create videos and video ads that allow you to add in text that's contextual and sound effects that also match up with the video. And it's also 10 times faster, which if you've ever used one of these AI tools and looking to generate, images or video ads, it is super slow to be able to actually generate those videos, allowing you just a ton of lag time when it comes to iterating if there's any errors. And so by increasing the speed 10x, it allows you to iterate 10 times faster, get feedback, and make improvements and get new video and image assets so much faster. Now, not only is that crazy, but there's a new AI filmmaking tool that allows you to seamlessly splice, extend, and create entire video ads with all the scenes that you need, just like any video editor tool that you can prompt and cut and create the perfect video. This is probably the craziest new feature that I've seen. Let's check it out.
Building a new AI filmmaking tool for creatives. We're calling it Flow, and it's launching today. Let's drop into a project I'm working on. Our hero, the grandpa, is building a flying car with help from a feathered friend. These are my ingredients, the old man and his car. We make it easy to upload your own images into the tool, or you can generate them on the fly using Imagine, which is built right in. If I want to capture the next shot of the scene, I can just hit the plus icon to create the next shot. I can describe what I want to happen next, like adding a 10-foot-tall chicken in the back seat, and Flow will do the rest. The character consistency, the scene consistency, it just works. And if something isn't, quite right, no problem. You can just go back in like any other video tool and trim it up if it's not working for you. But Flow works in the other direction as well. It lets you extend a clip too, so I can get the perfect ending that I've been working towards. Once I've got all the clips I need, I can download the files, I can bring them into my favorite editing software, add some music from Lyria, and now the old man finally has his flying car.
So as you can see, with this new AI generation tool, not only can you bring in inspiration and it generates you an entire seamless video that looks super, super realistic, but you can also cut, extend, generate clips on the fly, generate different scenes on the fly, splice them all together for one consistent video that feels like a high production, $100,000 video ad using completely AI. So this changes the game completely. So let's go over some summaries and the biggest transitions coming to Google Ads specifically right from the Google Ads team.
You as advertisers. The first one is AI-powered discovery. The second one is multimodal understanding. And the third is agentic action. First, AI-powered discovery. With the reasoning power of Gemini models in search, people can ask their most complex questions. Now here's the power. We can take a search that doesn't have obvious commercial intent, but still understand that connecting the user to a product or a business is the most helpful next step. And often that connection is an ad. Let me show you. Here's a search for how to bring small dogs on flights. We break this into multiple dimensions to understand what this person really needs. So we'll show straightforward answers like airline policies and helpful tips, but we can also anticipate a commercial need.
So as you can see here, not only does Google's Gemini generate the response, but it also is starting to show those sponsored posts for products that it recommends that you're going to need based on your search query, where it makes sense to insert a business. So with this new era of search, what do the campaign types look like now in Google Ads? Here's exactly what they say.
Our guidance is actually quite simple. The only way to win in the new era of search is with AI-powered campaigns. The Power Pack has something for everyone. This is our next generation of ad solutions that will drive your next level performance across search and YouTube your way. And let's break it down and buckle up, we're gonna move fast. So first, you have Performance Max. It gives you the full might of Google's channels and AI all rolled into one campaign. And second, we just launched AI Max for search campaigns. It's the newest member of the pack, built specifically for the evolving search landscape. And last but not least, there's Demand Gen, which lets you create and convert demand across our most visual surfaces, search and YouTube especially. And by now, it's clear marketers can't manually build campaigns or choose keyword lists anymore. I mean, how do you choose keywords for natural language, or an image, or a back and forth exchange? And that's why we built AI Max for search campaigns. One click, and your search campaigns are instantly ready for how people search today and the ever-evolving search experiences of tomorrow.
So Google now has these power packs, they're called, where you have your traditional PMax campaign that we've all know and seen for several years now, which has all of Google's network. And now you're going to have AI Max for search campaigns, which leverages the new Google AI search prompt feature, which allows you to actually rank for keywords for languages and people that are using AI to search for things. So for complex queries, you can now rank for those things and show up with ads. And then you now have your demand generation campaigns, which include YouTube Discovery, YouTube Shorts, as well as Gmail. So interesting to see how these power packs will play out and how effective they are. Traditionally, when they first launch, it's not that good, and it gets better over time. So expecting to see the same thing with these new campaign types. Now, when it comes directly to Google Ads, here is how they're using those new AI-generated features for ads in the new Asset Studio feature in Google Ads.
Launching later this year. Think of it as your unified creative destination right inside Google Ads. Review your creative, generate infinite variations all in one place to boost performance. Start by uploading some product images or selecting them from Merchant Center. You can begin with professional product shots or ones you took on your phone. Let's go with these and make them look more professional. And as we're generating those, let's check these out. Oh, great. Very nice. Amazing quality, different angles. That's Imagine doing the heavy lifting for you. So let's turn one of these into a video clip. Okay, it's working its magic, and let's take a look. Love it. It really highlights these cute pants in action more than an image can. These AI power tools are making the previously impossible now possible. So what are you waiting for? Create stunning assets at a fraction of time, scale them everywhere that matters, and drive serious performance for your business.
All right, so I mean, absolutely insane. It's bringing it all into Google Ads for you. You can literally just take the Merchant Center products that you have, upload them into Google Ads. It's going to generate you professional product photos. Not only that, but videos as well that you can run across all of Google's network using these AI tools and generate amazing results. And so it's really changing the prospecting game and changing the advertising game as a whole with these features. So look, those are the main highlights from the Google event. Those are the main tools that they're coming out with. I think this is going to revolutionize advertising as a whole. It's already starting to revolutionize how people are searching and using Google, and advertising is just going to follow suit. And it's going to make it so that it's easier than ever to get into the game with advertising, generate amazing product photos and videos, and run those ads to people that are most intent on buying your product. So in some ways, I think advertising is going to get easier than ever, but in other ways, it's still going to be a lot about technically knowing how to run all these things, how to set it up, and the best practices when it comes to running your Google ads and soon Facebook ads, and I'm sure all the other app platforms are going to roll out with features like this. So if you're excited for these new features, if you're running Google ads, excited to kind of take advantage of the AI wave, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what's the coolest feature that you saw. And if you're interested in learning more about how to run Google ads currently and how to run Google ads once these new AI features come out, hit that subscribe button and also check out this next video. Maybe it's over here. I think you're gonna really like it. Appreciate it.